back at the Roosevelt Avenue, the infamous stuck key payphone, to see if it's still stuck. And it is. Bummer. I really only have myself to blame for this, because I'm the one who, it looks like the star key is the one that's stuck. And I can't unstick it. Maybe if I brought some kind of device, I could pry it loose, but I don't want to fuck with the phone or get in trouble for looking like I'm trying to break into it. But I'm the one who dialed *10, and the star key is what's stuck. Most people using this phone would not use the star key for any reason. So it's still stuck, and it's all my fault.